Like right now, Iran, Israel, or America, the war is going on. So that's why that is the main reason. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Parvendra Kumar. I come from Uttar Pradesh, but I live in Gurugram. This is morning. Right now, I'm going to my job. As you know that I work in a five-star hotel. So mainly the thing is that you know I'll show you each and everything in my blog, but thank you for that. I just got a 6 subscriber on my YouTube channel, and each and everything I will show when I'll get 100 subscribers. So right now the time is around 6:30 is here, and let's see when I'll reach the hotel. So I'll show you little bit as much as possible. I'll try to my best. Yes, finally I reached. Right now this is the gate number 1 in my hotel, and as much as possible I'll try to cover the all things. And I think that person is new. I don't know who is. And right now you can see how the scenery is here. Let's see, you can and when I'll get 100 subscriber, I'll tell you what exactly I do in my hotel and what is my responsibilities, and each and everything I'll show you, and how the like five-star hotel employees work, and lot of things I'll just share you. Right now just you can see this is the back area. This is not a front area to the five-star hotel. Like mainly the employees come that way, and for the guest we have other way, like so the guest come from that area. And let's see, there is a one woman, the lady is there, and we have a small time office. This is just a time office, and now that's enough to, yes, each and everything I'll just show you. And see, this is my hotel. Yeah, finally I reached, and I had my breakfast as well, and yeah, I attend my briefing now. Right now I'm on shift, and each and everything I just want to show you, but it's a little bit tough to share with you all. Yeah, when I'll get 100 subscribers, so each and everything I'll share, and yeah, what I do exactly, so I'll tell you when I'll get 100 subscriber. mm, Now my duty timing is start. It's right now 9 o'clock is here. So when my duty will be finished, so I'll come again and let's see. Finally I complete my work. Now I'm going to my rent room. Now it's around 8 o'clock is here, and now the rain is also going on, and I don't know what I have to do right now. I'm feeling tired, lot of things. I'm feeling tired, and I just want to sleep right now. I don't want to do any work. It's I get up early around 8 o'clock, no, 7 o'clock, and my duty start around 8 o'clock, and now 8 o'clock, around 8 o'clock is now. So it's very tough to do a hospitality industry. So now the rain is going on, so when I'll connect, like when I'll reach to my home, so I'll show you. Okay, bye. I'm near to 500 kilometer, 500 meter, and you know what? It seems like the five-star hotel job is like a wow, but I know the behind reality. It seems like like how we are handling the situation, the all things. And like most of the people think about, if you are doing a job in a five-star hotel, so like you are doing like great in your life. We know what is the struggle we are doing, and I just get up early around 7 o'clock. Now 8 o'clock is here. Still I didn't reach my home. So it's very tough to, do. But yeah, maybe when when I'll switch my job to other hotels, like I have also planned going to out of country, but now like war is going on, so that's risky right now. So when all things will be complete, like right now Iran, Israel, or America, the war is going on, so that's why that is the main reason. Otherwise, each and everything right now I have on my passport as well, and now you can't see my proper way. So yes, now if you want to like see each and everything, like how the five-star hotel runs and lot of things, so what I can do for you, so yeah, like you can just subscribe my YouTube channel, and then after uh, like I'll show you how the people are doing a job, how lot of things I'll share to you. Don't worry about that. And right now a lot of people are, this is my third, maybe fourth video on my YouTube channel. Lot of people are watching, like observing to me what I'm doing, but I don't think about what the people will think for me. I have to do, so that's why I'm doing. I don't care about others. And last time the two girls were walking beside me, and I noticed that they she were watching to me, but I don't think about. Okay, now I'm near to around 100 meters, and now first I have to uh, do my dinner as well. Then after I'll reach around 9 o'clock, and then after I'll not do anything, just I will sleep. And this is my whole day journey, and each and everything I will show you when I'll complete my 100 subscriber, only 100 subscribers. I'll tell you what exactly I do in my hotel. Okay.